Looking for the perfect portable juicer to make fresh, healthy drinks anywhere? Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, having the right juicer makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 portable juicer machines that combine power, convenience, and affordability. Number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have this incredible dual-cup design juicer that's perfect for couples or families. This portable powerhouse features a 6-blade cutting system that effortlessly blends fruits and vegetables into smooth, nutritious drinks in seconds. The wireless rechargeable design means you can take it anywhere without worrying about finding an outlet. With its compact size and 2 included cups, you can make fresh juice for yourself and share with a friend. The food-grade materials ensure safety, while the easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're making morning smoothies or afternoon protein shakes, this juicer handles it all with ease. The powerful motor blends even tough ingredients like frozen fruits and leafy greens, perfect for outdoor activities, camping trips, or just everyday use at home and office. For those interested in this dual-cup juicer, you can find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we're featuring a USB rechargeable travel juicer designed for people on the go. This cordless blender comes with 2 cups and sports lids, perfect for your active lifestyle. The rechargeable battery provides multiple blending sessions on a single charge. The compact design fits easily in your bag or backpack. With powerful blending capability, it crushes ice and blends fruits to perfection in under a minute. BPA-free construction ensures your drinks are safe and healthy. Whether you're headed to the gym, office, or on a road trip, this portable juicer keeps you refreshed. The easy one-button operation makes it simple to use. Cleanup is quick. Just add water and blend. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, and fresh juice anywhere you go. The lightweight design and long battery life make it ideal for travel, camping, or daily commutes. If you want to grab this USB rechargeable travel juicer for your daily adventures, check out the link in the description and comments. Number 3. Number 3 on our list is this amazing 6-blade wireless portable juicer that delivers professional-grade blending in a compact package. This powerhouse features an advanced 6-blade system creating perfectly smooth drinks. The wireless design with USB charging means ultimate portability. Charge anywhere using your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. Food-grade stainless steel blades handle everything from soft berries to harder vegetables. With 15-20 blending cycles per charge, enjoy fresh juice throughout your day. The 350 ml capacity is perfect for single servings, and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Safety lock prevents accidental activation, while waterproof design allows easy cleaning under running water. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, baby food, or fresh juice anytime, anywhere. Modern design and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance. Don't miss this fantastic 6-blade juicer. Find the purchase link in the description and comments below. Number 2. Taking the number 2 spot is this compact portable blender that's a favorite among health enthusiasts. This mini smoothie maker features USB rechargeable technology with a powerful motor blending fruits, vegetables, and ice efficiently. The 430G stainless steel body provides durability while maintaining lightweight portability. The round shape with ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold anywhere. This blender's versatility shines. Perfect for smoothies, fresh juice, protein shakes, baby food, and salad dressings. One-touch operation is user-friendly, and the self-cleaning function saves time. Simply add water and soap, blend 30 seconds, and rinse. Safety features include automatic shutoff and overload protection. The transparent cup lets you see ingredients blending perfectly. Whether at home, work, gym, or traveling, this blender ensures fresh, healthy drinks. Ready to upgrade your nutrition? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And finally, number 1 is this premium multifunctional juicer cup that truly stands out. This portable blender features a professional 6-blade dual-cup design, delivering exceptional blending power. The innovative mixing function ensures perfectly smooth results, creating restaurant-quality smoothies. With powerful rechargeable battery, you get extended usage lasting multiple days. The dual-cup system lets you prepare drinks for yourself and a friend simultaneously. Premium food-grade materials guarantee safety and durability. This versatile juicer excels at cold drinks, smoothies, protein shakes, fresh juices, and frozen desserts. The compact design crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and processes vegetables easily. Easy clean design and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance effortless, ideal for gifting on special occasions. Want this top-rated juicer? Find the link in the description and comments. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.